Here's how to manage Instagram parental controls. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the profile icon, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, scroll down. Here, you should be able to find the section of Family Center. Tap on Supervision for teen accounts. If you have not set that up, tap on Continue. Now you want to select the account that you want to supervise. Once you have selected that, tap on the Send Invitation option. Now select the Instagram profile to use in Family Center, then tap on Send Invitation. On the teen's device, open the invitation and accept it within 48 hours. Once the invitation is accepted, the account will be linked for supervision. After the connection is complete, you can return to Family Center on the parent's account. From there, you can view the supervision dashboard and manage available parental control settings. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.